Welcome. If you want to change vibration settings in your Samsung Galaxy Tab S7, let's go for the settings. Right now we have to scroll down and go for the sound and vibration. Oh, sorry, I just misclicked. Let's go for the sound and vibration. Here we got the first vibration options. There's the vibrate while ringing. We can adjust it with the switcher. When we scroll down, we can find another one, the vibration pattern. So we can pick up your favorite. After that, just go back and we can also enter the system sound. And here we got the touch interactions. It is also the vibration option. When we tap on the screen, we will feel the haptic vibration going through the screen to our finger. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.